Good morning children. Hope you doing well. We already finished our chapter 1. Today we are going to study next chapter, chapter 2, components of food. We already made a list of food items that we eat. And we identified different food items in different parts of India. Okay. A meal could consist of chapati, roti, vegetable curry, and like sambar, and also rice, brinjal curry, appam, fish curry, all could be in a meal. And sometimes we may not have really all these food items in a meal. Okay, let us discuss. From this chapter we have to discuss mainly 4 topics. First one, what do different food items contain? First one, different food items contain. Next, what do various nutrients do for our body? Okay, third one, balanced diet. Fourth one, deficiency diseases. Okay. These are the main 4 topics we have to discuss in this chapter. Let us start. First, what do different food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of 1 or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. Each dish made up of 1 or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain 1 or more components needed for our body. These ingredients contain 1 or more components that needed for our body. These components are called what? Yes, nutrients. Nutrients. These components are called nutrients. Nutrients are essential for our body. The major nutrients named as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. Major nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats. These are the major nutrients. In addition to these nutrients, our food contains dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers and water, which is essential for our contain all these nutrients? No. With some simple methods or test, we can find out all these nutrients present in some raw ingredients or cooked ingredients. Okay, for carrying out that test, for find out the presence of carbohydrates, proteins and fats, we want to prepare some solutions, and the test for these nutrients are very simple as compared to other nutrients. The presence of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The test for these nutrients is very simple as compared to other nutrients test. Okay. For that we need some solutions. Iodine solution, copper sulfate solution and caustic soda. For preparing that, we have to we take one test tube half filled with water and put tincture iodine and shake it. We get iodine solution. The iodine solution is this. Okay, sample of a iodine solution. I already prepared iodine solution for you. Okay. And another copper sulfate solution. For that we have to take one test tube and put 2 grams of copper sulfate. Okay. Add some copper sulfate into it. 2 gram of copper sulfate, and then add 100 ml of water and shake it well. Can you see? We can prepare copper sulfate solution. The sample of copper sulfate solution. Okay, copper sulfate solution. And then caustic soda. For that 10 gram of caustic soda take in a test tube and add 100 ml of water and shake. Already I prepared a caustic soda solution for you. Okay. For carrying out this test, we need these solutions also. So today we studied about nutrients, the name of some important nutrients. And next we want to find out which food items contain which nutrients. Do all the nutrients present in all food? We have to find out all answers. Our food contains some components. That components are called nutrients. Major nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, our food contains dietary fibers and water also. It is very essential for our body. In next class, we will try to do some test for finding out carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Okay. Thank you.